Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am show you how to create a trendy newspaper nail art design. Let's get started. Here, what you will need: light color nail paint, rubbing alcohol, small dish, and newspaper, scissor, cotton pad, and clear nail paint. Firstly, apply 2 coat of your favorite light colored nail paint and let it dry completely. Now it's time to grab your rubbing alcohol and a small dish. Pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol into the dish. Next, cut small square of newspaper that are slightly larger than your nails. Dip the cotton pad into the rubbing alcohol and gently press it onto your nails for about 10 seconds. After that, place one of the newspaper square into your nails, making sure it covers the entire surface. Press down firmly and hold it for another 10 seconds. Then carefully peel off the newspaper. Now you will see the newspaper print transferred onto your nails. Isn't it cool? Repeat this step on your old nails and let them dry for a few minutes. Finally, seal your fabulous design with a clear nail paint. There you have it, style print inspired nails using newspaper. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more channel for more fabulous nail art.